How to flip camera on TikTok. Hi, for today we are back again to our quick and easy video tutorial on how to flip camera on TikTok. So first is you have to make sure that your TikTok application is updated. So all you have to do is to go to your Play Store and just type in their TikTok. Now, if you will see an update button there, you have to click on that and wait for it to be updated. And as you can see, I don't have any update button, which means my TikTok application is updated. And if it's updated, we can now start on our tutorial. So let's go back to our homepage here and just basically open the TikTok application. Now, to be able to flip your camera, so on the bottom part, you will see five icons there: the home icon, the friends, the plus sign, where you can add video or create your content, and then the inbox and the profile. So you pick the plus sign there, and it will actually lead you here. As you can see, this is actually on front camera. So let's say you want to flip the camera to or use the back camera. So on the right side, you will see the different icons there. So you will see the flip icon, the speed icon, the filters, the beautify, the timer, and the Q&A. So as you can see, if you click on the flip there, we are now using the back camera. So let's say you want to flip it back, just flip. If you want to use the front cam again, just click the same button and then it will actually flip back to the front camera. So basically, that is how you flip camera on TikTok. So that includes this tutorial. I hope you find this useful. And if you did, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. And please leave any questions you may have in the comment section and have a great day.